Thank you for joining us today on another installment of Frost & Sullivan's exciting podcast series, highlighting key disruptive technologies, growth opportunities, economic trends, new business models, industry convergence, emerging geographies, and much more. I'm Shilpa Paul, industry analyst with the Mobility Research team, and today I will be talking about growth opportunities in the global medium heavy-duty truck market in 2019. Global medium or MD and heavy-duty or HT truck sales grew 4.5% in 2018 over 2017 levels due to sustained growth in the top truck markets of North America and China. In China, HT truck sales stayed above the magical 1 million mark. The growth in North America and China was bolstered by continued growth in India, Brazil, Russia, and Indonesia. In 2019, growth in North America, Latin America, Russia, India, and Indonesia is expected to continue being positive, while China, although over the 1 million mark, will be a smaller market than in 2018. However, the speedy implementation of Blue Sky regulations announced in July 2018, resulting in the rapid phasing out of 1 million China 3 compliant trucks in 2019 itself, has the potential to boost MD truck sales this year. Electric powertrains, autonomous driving, connected devices, and digital services continued to attract attention and investor dollars in 2018. These trends are expected to intensify into 2019. While electric powertrains are beginning to be adopted in niche applications like refuse trucks, where their total cost of ownership or TCO is already lower than their diesel-powered counterparts, achieving TCO parity in other applications might take until 2025. Autonomous technology backed by technology giants like NVIDIA and startups like TuSimple, Drive AI, and Embark is developing rapidly. However, reaching SAE Level 4 of autonomy is still a decade away. In the meantime, telematics devices are experiencing double-digit year-on-year growth in triad markets as well as in China. Alongside the continued growth of telematics devices and services, digital freight brokerage solutions are also set to receive a huge boost, with investments worth over $2.35 billion already made in 2019 across North America, Latin America, Europe, China, India, and Russia. While battery electric powertrains attract significant attention in the media and at trade shows, natural gas or NG is a quietly growing alternative powertrain option, especially in Europe and China, where there is strong regulatory pressure to cut emissions in heavy-duty trucks. Some of the key trends to watch out for in 2019 will be the proliferation of digital freight brokerage solutions, electric and autonomous driving solutions. This will be accompanied by a slew of new product launches by truck OEMs, including the Freightliner Cascadia Level 2 autonomous vehicle in North America, as well as Iveco's new Stralis NP460 LNG in Europe. This study covers sales forecasts for 2019 and trends into 2025 across North America, Latin America, Europe, China, India, Russia, Next 11, and rest of the world. On that note, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Please join us for future podcasts and become a member of Frost & Sullivan by emailing us at digital@frost.com.